Hi, good afternoon everyone. This is Deepti Sen from our own company measuringnews.com. So here this is Mr. Abhijit Bhatt. Hi sir. Good afternoon. Hello. This is Rashmi. Okay, and we are going to cover their stall itself. It's a hall number 2 and stall number 10. Okay. Thank you a lot for sharing the details. We would like to more know about your company itself.
Yeah, so we are completely made in India company. Our company name is Manlio Designs, and we are exclusively into design development of probes and tool setter for CNC, PMC, all the classes of computer controlled machines.
Okay. Then Rashmi, how you are going to describe about your company like?
So I think if somebody is looking at affordable high precision, then Manlio is the go-to place because we stand for affordability, durability, quality and service.
Okay. We would like to know more about this system finder. Like, what is this system finder? Like, how you can configure this one? Like the
Sure.
R&D part also.
Sure. So basically, if you see the probe,
Yeah.
so this probe we are doing it from last 23 years.
Okay.
So much of the probe is not changed internally, and this is very rugged in nature. And if you see, there is a 15 degrees or 10 mm in all the direction. So this ensures that the probe is very rugged in nature. So this is a conductive probe. It works only on metal surfaces, on conductive surfaces, and basically its accuracy is within 2 microns.
Okay.
And the typical our customers usage life cycle is more than 10-15 years.
Yeah.
Average life of it is more than 10-15 years. So like our customer tells that our CNC machine changes every 5 years, but not the probes.
Okay.
Right.
That's
So,
really great to know
yeah.
about this.
And
Actually.
it's basically taken used in taking accurate datum references.
Okay.
So once the references are taken accurately, the rework and rejections drop significantly. Per our customers' input, it is about 70 to 75% rework rejections have been reduced.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Thank you a lot, Abhijit. And this is, I think, tool setter and the auto tool setter. Can you just brief about this products?
Sure. Again, in CNC machines, there are two variables.
Yeah.
One variable is the job offset that is taken care by this probe. The another variable is the tool length measurement. So we have both conductive manual probe and non-conductive tool probe. I mean, that is automatic tool setter.
Okay.
So this takes the tool sets automatically and puts it in the controller. So there is no manual intervention between the tool length taking.
Yeah. So these probe will be going to help in our automations also.
Yes.
Okay.
Largely it is going to take helps in automation and the skill set needed in current this one is largely reduced. Even a entry level operator can easily do the operations that currently they don't need. They cannot do with the existing skill set that is available. Yeah.
Okay, fine. So like with whom you are going to work, like we would like to more know about your like clients and all.
So we have more than 500 plus customer base.
Okay.
We have sold almost pan India all over the world. Our largest clients are BFW, AMS, ISRO,
Okay.
and where BFW, AMS have been our OEM customers
Yeah.
from a very long time, from 15-20 years, and typically whoever is into high precision machining, they are going to use our probes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. So this is like what even if I'm also from manufacturing sector also, but it's better to have introduction about this product from your side.
Yeah. You can take it.
Yeah. So this is the auto tool setter.
Yeah.
And this is based on a non-conductive principle. So whether the person is using metals, plastic, whether he has ceramic bearings, it doesn't matter. It works on all types of machines. And accuracy is about 10 microns. And in terms of automation, the tool length measurement, tool breakage detection, run out of the tool. Now, these are some of the primary reasons. If they go undetected, they can result in a lot of rework, wastage of materials. So, by using a product like this, a company can achieve a lot of precision and make products which are of high quality and get it right the first time.
Okay, fine. That's very great to know about your products and all. Thank you all and have a great day.
Thank you.
Okay, hi, this is Deepti Sen and I'm just concluded this interview itself. Okay, thank you. Okay, bye-bye.